Looking for the cheapest way to call Canada from the US? This video will explore a few options to save you money on international calls. Making calls to Canada can be expensive, especially with traditional phone lines. Luckily, there are a few ways to save money. Virtual phone numbers let you have a Canadian number without being in Canada. Great for businesses or avoiding roaming charges. They can also be cheaper and offer features like voicemail transcription. Consider OpenPhone for free US-Canada calls messages. It's user-friendly and reliable, but check terms for potential limitations. Cheapest calling option depends on your needs. Business and features. Virtual phone number provider, Callmama. Occasional calls. If you just need to make occasional calls and messages, OpenPhone could be a good free option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you save money on your calls to Canada. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.